So find the distance between origin and the point here. Okay. So in this case, origin coordinate here 0 0. Okay. So 0 comma 0 here. And I take a given point as a here minus 6 comma 8 here. Okay. So these are the given points here. Okay. Therefore, by distance formula here. So by distance formula. Okay. In this case, OA is equal to root of. So minus 6 minus 0 minus 6 minus 0 whole square here. Then plus 8 minus 0 whole square. 8 minus 0 whole square here. Therefore, this equal to root of minus 6 minus 0 is a minus 6 itself here. Minus 6 square, then plus 8 minus 0 is a 8. It's a square here. Therefore, just observe here. If one point is origin here, in that case, if you want to distance between origin and the point here, then directly can take here minus 6 square plus 8 square. Even directly can write this step also. Okay, because one point is origin here. So using distance formula, we get minus 6 minus 0 whole square plus 8 minus 0 whole square here. Minus 6 minus 0 means minus 6 only. 8 minus 0 is again it is 8 here. Therefore, here if one point is origin, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ origin ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು minus 6 square plus 8 square ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. So therefore root of minus 6 square is 36 here. Then plus 8 square is 64 here. Therefore this equal to root of 36 plus 64 gives 100 here. So square root of 100 is 10 here. So 10 is the answer. Distance between origin and the given point is 10 units here. Okay, the distance between the point 3, 1 and 0x is 5 units. Then find the value of x here. Okay, take your solution. So let A interrogate 3, 1 and B interrogate 0x be the given points here. With the given points and the given distance between these two points is 5 units here. They are already given here. Given that AB is equal to 5 units here. They are already given here. So use the distance formula. Therefore root of 0 minus 3 whole square here. 0 minus 3 whole square, then plus x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Then squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. ಅದು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 0 minus 3 is minus 3 minus 3 it's a square here plus x minus 1 whole square and it's a square here is equal to 5 square here. Squaring on both the sides ಅಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್ here. Minus 3 square is 9 here. So write here 9 plus x minus 1 whole square is x square then plus 1, then minus of 2x here. Okay, you know a minus b whole square here. Here a minus b whole square is equal to a square, then plus b square minus of 2ab here. Okay, here x minus 1 square is there, hence x minus 1 x square gives x square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1 here. Okay, 2 into x into 1. Hence it gives x square plus 1 here minus 2 into x into 1 gives minus of 2x here. Hence x square plus 1 minus 2x here. Then this is equal to pi square is 25. Pi square is 25. Here square root and square cancels. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಗ ಮೂಲ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಗ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. minus 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 9 ಆಯ್ತು. x minus 1 whole square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x square plus 1 minus 2x ಬಂತು. pi square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ 25 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. First write this x square here. x square minus of 2x here. Here 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Take a 25 left hand side here. Minus of 25 is equal to 0. Hence x square minus of 2x here. So 10 minus 25 is minus 15, that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. ಇದಪ್ಪ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. How to solve the quadratic equation here. In this case here first 1 is there, x square coefficient is 1. 1 into minus 15 is a minus 15 here. So product of two number must be minus 15 here. Okay, and middle minus 2 is there. Sum of two number is a minus of 2 here. Okay, you find two numbers so that product should be minus 15 and sum should be minus 2 here. Then obviously two numbers are find 3 here. So in this case so plus 5 or minus 5 plus 3 here. Okay, minus into plus minus 5 is 15 here, and minus 2 means minus 5 plus 3 here. Okay, minus 5 plus 3 gives minus 2. Minus 5 into 3 becomes minus 15 here. So two numbers are minus 5 and 3. Therefore write this x square here. X square. Then minus 2x can be written as minus of 5x here. Then plus 3x. And minus 15 right as it is here. So minus of 15 that is equal to 0. Okay. Then from these two terms here, x is the common factor here. So x minus of 5. From these two terms 3 is the common factor here. So again write here x minus of here remaining is 5 here is equal to 0. Okay, here x into x becomes x square. X into minus 5x here. 3 into x becomes 3x and 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 here. Therefore here this from this two term x is a common, from this two term 3 common factor here. You just observe here x minus 5, here also x minus 5. X minus 5 is the common factor here. Then into bracket remaining terms are x plus 3 right in the bracket here. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then either this is a 0 or this is a x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Hence x is equal to what here? Minus 5 becomes a plus 5 here, or take a plus 3 right hand side here. X is equal to minus 3 here. Therefore here the values of x are 5 or minus 3 here. This is the answer here. So a point P interrogated to 2 minus 1 is equidistant from the point A7 and minus 3A. Find A. Okay. So equidistant, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು equidistant ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಕ್ವಿಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೊ A7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ -3A ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. -3A ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ B ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ as A and this point as a B. And here there is one more point here P. They already given here. Its a coordinate is 2 - 1 here. It is equidistant from A as well as B. Okay. Here this distance AP is the same as BP. Equidistant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ದಿಂದ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆಯೋದ. ಓಕೆ, equidistant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬಿಂದು ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ therefore let us consider A into bracket A7, B into bracket -3A with the given points here. These are given points. Okay, and P into bracket 2 - 1 is equidistant from A and B. From A and B. Therefore, you can write here AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP. So use the distance formula here. AP, okay, using a distance formula, AP is a root of A minus 2 whole square. Okay, A minus 2, it's a square, then a plus here. 7 minus of -1 here. So 7 minus of -1, it's a square here. You are using a distance formula. So A minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus of -1, it's a square, is equal to, then the BP. Use the points of B and P here. B and P. So therefore -3 minus 2 here. -3 minus 2, it's a square, then plus here. A minus of -1 here. So write here A minus of -1, it's a square. Okay, this is AP and this is BP. And both sides are square root here. So squaring on both sides. This square root cancel ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ? ವರ್ಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ವರ್ಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whole square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. Square root cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ square root ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So root of A minus 2 whole square. A minus 2, it's a square, then a plus here. Minus, and this minus becomes a plus here. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 square. And it's a square here. Is equal to, again root of -3 minus 2 is a -5 here. -5, it's a square here, then a plus. Minus of minus becomes a plus here. A plus 1, it's a square here. Whole square. Squaring on both sides here. Here square root and this square cancels here. Square root and this square cancels. Hence A minus 2 whole square. A minus 2 whole square plus 8 square is equal to -5 square here. Minus of 5 square, then a plus A plus 1, it's a square. A plus 1 square. Square root and square get cancels here. Then expand it here. A minus B whole square. You know the formula is here. A plus B whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus of 2ab. Okay, here's the formulas here. A minus 2 whole square is a square here. Then plus 2 square minus of 2 into a into 2 here. Okay, then plus 8 square is 64. So right here 64 is equal to minus 5 squares. Minus becomes a plus here. Then 5 squares is 25 plus 25. Then plus here. A plus 1 whole square is a square plus 1 square plus 2 into a into 1 here. Okay. You can cancel this a square and this a square here. Left side a square and right hand side a square get cancels here. Then 2 square is 4 here. So right here 4. 2 2s are 4. Minus of 4a and plus 64 is there. Plus 64 is equal to. Then right here 25. So 25. Then plus 1 here. Plus 1. 2 into 8 1 becomes a 2a. It is a 2a. Okay. Now take a 2a left side. First add it here. 4 plus 64 is a 68. Okay. Therefore minus of 4a plus 68 is equal to, so plus 2a here. So 2a. Then 25 plus 1 becomes a 26 here. So plus 26 here. Take it to a left side here. Minus 4a minus 2a is equal to, so 26 minus of 68 here. Minus 4a minus 2a becomes minus of 6a here is equal to 26 minus 68 here. So 68 and 26 subtract each other. 8 minus 6 it gives us here. 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is 42. Minus 42 here. Because here this is a bigger number here. One is a positive, the other one is a negative. Subtract here. But a bigger number behind the minus sign is there. Right here minus. Okay. One plus sign on the minus idaga subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಳಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಳೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 42 ಆಯ್ತು. Minus 6 take that side here. A is equal to minus 42 divided by minus 6. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಹಾಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ minus 42 divided by minus 6, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. therefore a is equal to, so 7 is 6 1s are 6 7s are, therefore the value of a is 7. So a is equal to 7 is the answer. Okay, find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the point of 5 2 and minus 4 3. So you know that here it is the x-axis here and y-axis and it is the origin here. Okay, any point lies on x-axis is of the form x comma 0. Any point lies on y-axis is of the form 0, y. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಿಂದು x ಅಕ್ಷದ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಬಿಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x, 0, y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಿಂದು y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಬಿಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So therefore there are 2 points here. Okay, so let a into bracket pi to b into bracket minus 4 comma 3 be the given points here. Be the given points. And one more point here lies on y axis here. Let p into bracket so 0 comma y be a point on the y axis. On the y axis such that PA is equal to PB here. So PA is equal to PB because they given here it is equidistant. Equidistant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ದಿಂದ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ PA is equal to PB ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು. Okay, so PA is the point of P and A is the distance formula here. So root of so 0 minus 5 whole square here. 0 minus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So y minus 2 it's a square here is equal to PB. Again is the distance formula, take P and B here. So root of so 0 minus of minus 4 here. 0 minus of minus 4 it's a square here. Okay, minus of minus 4 here. Then plus y minus 3 whole square. So y minus 3 it's a square here. Okay, here square roots are there. We have to cancel means squaring on both sides. In the square root cancel ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ವರ್ಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. Hence the root of 0 minus 5 is a minus 5. Minus 5 it's a square. Then a plus here. Y minus 2 whole square here. So y minus 2 whole square and it's a square here. Okay. Then this is equal to so root of minus and this minus becomes a plus here. So 4 square then a plus here. Y minus 3 whole square. Y minus 3 whole square and it's a square here. Squaring on both the sides here. Then square root and square cancel. Square root and square cancels here. Minus 5 square is 25 here. Minus becomes a plus here. Plus 25. Minus ತಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y minus 2 whole square here. So y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2 is equal to again the square root and square cancels. 4 square is 16 here. Then plus y minus 3 whole square gives a y square. Then plus 3 square minus 2 into y into 3 here. Okay. Then this y square and this y square cancels here. Y square get cancels. Then right here 25. Then plus 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4 here. So minus of 4y is equal to. Then right here 16. 3 square is 9 here. And 3 2s are 6 here. Minus of 6y. Then 25 plus 4 becomes 29 here. So 29 minus 4y. So minus of 4y is equal to 16 plus 9 25. So right here 25 minus of 6y is there. Right here minus of 6y. Okay. Take a minus 6y left side here. 29 right hand side here. So minus 6y becomes a plus 6y. Minus of 4y is equal to, so 25 keep as it is here, take a 29 right hand side here, minus of 29 here. 6y minus 4y becomes a 2y here. 25 minus 29 ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕಳಿತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ 25 minus 29 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ -4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 29 ಇದೆ 29 ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ r2 ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿ y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸೊ -4 divided by 2 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here so y is equal to -2 here therefore y is equal to -2 is the required means here we want a point on the y axis here therefore point on y axis is 0 y y value is -2 here therefore required point is p into bracket 0 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು y axis ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು 0 minus 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 5 2 ಇದೆ 5 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು 5 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು -4 3 -4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ -4 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಪಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಬಿ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಸಮಾನ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ